I've worked in workshop before. You know, na condition yabo ngifike abakumbusha ukupita ukupita kumbusha mbusho roti alipata maji wakapata maji kwa ndio ama kazi moto kale kisha 100,000 na watu 20,000 kilometers kazi 100,000 kija kwenye bushi abaki ile na ishirini na magari na sisi ni kwa sababu kuchinjakaa pasindo namna hiyo na mwaka tai hapa waishi bali na mtrela yes sisi leo tuwaiti kana na moto kwa problem shani huko the only thing is to report na pata problem ya the only thing that should have for my drivers must their car so that even when you are out wanataka kumgeti basi kushwa tija ya kuna ni hapa na sio namba kana kwa location ya and they will be able to move otherwise ile shida kwa kama tagi condition ya road to move tag can even go more than 120,000 kilometers. The only challenge which is there is the pressure of shipping. That's the only thing that matters. That's what I can do. So don't think that's comfortable resources of my town. Road that's what I'm like. The only thing is supposed to be too much from our town pressure. Moto haitaki tofauti na town pressure zingine na over provision. The power of system check number ya kubaliwa hapa tena is going to help our drivers to avoid ukula fumakuno wa kuchekisha makazi huko na vishia pressure kwa so it is now so I need to know that this you know what opportunity and what opportunity for this issue otherwise help us from our present because no problem so those aspects we are not giving them tell about teaching them about pressure na issue of young the history of the pressure from our that after we was one with the same road to do
kama ni tota Mapanisha amekata kula chitabati mungu Samuel hiyo issue much that blessing I think is so valuable and munonga to class aina dimondana dalo kulanda ati limonga tuweko kupanga chongo we have to consider a lot of things aina dimoti to aba ama alarmist hello ati mungu atishani atishani mungu atishani ati bajo mungu shamu tashani shamu so if we walipata weakness hey mwene ndala mu class na team mulebe pako abo no tukisa mkumepela kana kula ndiye shingulanda pa especially pani hey mulebe pako mu system mwali bama lapses ndalanda mwati ngabona mwebele point of view mwaisa abantu 5 nika na view na mwachi mpote I think if ndela na film right issue ya pressure I raised that issue I think in the class na what ya but I raise pressure it raise the issue so badi sure ati balafa compressor yaba mobile na abantu they mentioned some guy kuna peni wako wati akulaenda na pressure gauge na compressor ile ine yaba mobile basa moto na parking hapa yakuli kulembesha tino ine pressure na ndio na mshani supposed to be a routine whichever vehicle hii parking ile pale bafuile that motion ba checking pressure no kulemba balenga kupeta tire pressure iliso yachiwa so pressure tuandika pressure so pressure na ifika something written on the tire I'm private for you what you need to report so we make those proposals right from province at compressor very wire the nama gauges in fact they are saying they are already there so motor gun na ndio workshop when it's doing the PTI bafire n'abachecking operation. It's supposed to be a procedure. Right? But naifwe kwanza kuti amana kusunga ma assets ndio maana tuliwa affected kwa sababu tuwaika chipanje definitely. Right? So deliberately we are organizing such interruptions because it could be that those are the questions we are getting from Matt Rider.